back to my channel. To start off, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below so you can see more amazing sustainable products for you to try. Today for my Does It Work series, I'm going to be trying makeup remover towels. Originally, I was planning on trying some cool DIY makeup removers that are all natural and good for your skin and stuff. But then I was gifted several of these for my birthday. As you can see here, I have a bunch. And so I had to try them instead. Now, I have seen these all over the place, and I've been hesitant to try them out because to me, I just don't see how just a towel can get all the makeup off my face and not cause me to break out and actually clear everything out. Spoiler, I was wrong. There are quite a few brands of makeup remover towels out there, but I was gifted ones from Fresh Face. They are incredibly soft, easy to use, as you are about to see. And so without further ado, I'll stop yabbering on and I'll show you exactly how well these things work. So here we are in my bathroom now, getting ready to wash away all this makeup we have on my face. As you can see, I have a nice Pride themed look here. So here is our little reusable washcloth that has makeup. It's supposed to have makeup remover in it. All you have to do is get it wet, wash, and there you go. It's supposed to remove it, no problem. Do kind of the same thing that a makeup remover wipe would do, or any other makeup remover. So the other kind of makeup remover I typically use is a spray like this. This is not the original bottle, obviously. It's just a non-oil based makeup remover that I use. I'll put it on either cloth or paper towel, something like tissue, something like that, and then just wipe it away. As like a second measure for removing makeup, I then also wash my entire face just to get any other remnants off. I like to use a toner too, and just all that to get everything out of my face, because otherwise I will break out and it is horrible. But supposedly you can use this and this should get all of it off. And today we're going to test exactly that. So I'm going to do this half of my face, which is the right side of my face, with this little handy dandy reusable makeup remover cloth. And then the other half we will do the makeup remover that I usually use, as well as the cleansing wash that I like to use. Again, you're supposed to be able to use this too and not have to use any other cleansers or cleaners on it. Now, you are able to use a cleanser on this if you want. There are some rules about when you put it in the washing machine, but otherwise while you're using it, you can put a cleanser on it too. But we're just testing base value, which will remove more. Just this when it is wet, or just this. Then after all the makeup's off, I'll do a cleanser on each half. I'll do this half with the normal washcloth and this half with this little guy to see if that has any effect on this side, and hopefully then that'll remove every last bit of makeup that is on my face. Then we'll probably check back in tomorrow to see if I've started to break out or any irritation on my skin, because I have some sensitive skin. We don't want any horrible rashes or anything on my face. That would be bad. So without further ado, time to test this guy out. So we've now used, on this half of the face, we used the non-oil based makeup remover. As you can see, it's gotten most of the makeup off, but you can see there's still kind of a little bit here that's kind of the more harder stuff to get off. Where I do my more expensive concealer under my eyes, I can still feel it on my skin. And there's a little bit of eye makeup there too. I don't know if you did see, I kind of did have to spray a lot and do quite a bit of scrubbing, and this is kind of usually how I do it. It just gets the kind of base, a majority of it away, and then once I go back in with my cleanser, it gets the rest of it off, and then toner gets any last little bit that might still remain after washing my face. But I mean, if I feel it, I can still feel there's makeup on my face. Looking at the cloth makeup remover, I can say I mean, I really like it. I feel like it's already gotten off most of the makeup. As you can see, kind of looking back and forth, you can definitely see this is my natural skin. and this is all still foundation here. Eye makeup wise, this is some pretty expensive eye makeup I have, so it's kind of a bit harder to remove. So did about the same job on each eye, but I definitely did not have to scrub as hard on this side, and this thing is so soft and nice to use on my skin. So I'd say the verdict on this, just plain how much makeup it removes. Makeup remover I have was nice just as a nice starter to get a good amount of it off, so then when I washed my face it wouldn't be full of makeup. But this definitely got most of it off. I feel like if I had my cleanser on it, it would have completely gotten it all off, no problem, and still cleansed my skin with all my acne and all that. It just feels cleaner, and I didn't use any soap on it or anything. It's just the cloth. I'll kind of go into more about this in the second part of this video. Just trying it out now. I really like it. I'm definitely going to continue to use it. Now I'm going to clean the rest of my face, and then I'll get to talking to you guys tomorrow with more results and this condition of my skin. My quick next day update, as you can see, looking at my skin here, let me turn a little bit. I haven't really broken out at all. My skin looks clear and nice. Like I said yesterday in the video, the cloth was super soft and great. It didn't cause any irritation. Whatever is in it clearly didn't cause any breakouts or irritation immediately, which is awesome and is usually a problem I can sometimes have with my glasses too. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, my skin's looking pretty good. So I would chalk this up as a win. So I'll just finish up this video with my final thoughts on this product. So I've now been using these for about a week and a half, and all I can say is I love them. Whether I use face wash on these or if I just use them by themselves, just get them wet and use them alone, it always gets rid of the makeup. I don't break out the next day, and it is just great. This is especially amazing for nights where I don't really feel like doing my full skincare routine, or I know I have to get up early and I'm getting to bed kind of late. It's just a quick get this wet, wipe off all the makeup, and I'm good to go right into bed. It gets it all off on its own. It is amazing. Like I said, I haven't broken out at all since these are so soft. They're really gentle on the skin, which is also very nice. And you can also use one a few times before having to toss it in the wash. And when you do need to wash it, it is actually very simple to do. You can toss them in with the rest of your towels, but the one important rule you do need to remember is to not use fabric softener on these. I don't know if other brands are different, but with the Fresh Face ones, you can't use fabric softener on them. I also like to put them into my delicate bags so I don't lose them in the wash, and then it's very easy to pull them out, and then I hang dry them just to be safe. Price wise, with Fresh Face, you can get a pack of 7 of these, so that would be 1 per day in a week, which is nice, for only $25 or about $3.50 per towel. Compared to liquid makeup remover that I usually use, which is $20 a bottle, and I have to get periodically. Also compared to the disposable wipes, which I have also used in the past, they are about $8 a pack, but they only come in packs of 25, and so I have to replace them pretty much once a month. Compared to those, this is an incredible deal because these last so much longer and you don't have to replace them once a month or every couple of months. Honestly, it's incredible, and I don't see a reason why not to make the switch. Final verdict, this is a great product. It's sustainable and it actually works. Also, the cool thing with Fresh Face as a company, they emphasize gender neutral, that anyone can use these towels. It doesn't matter what gender you identify as, they are good for your face, whether you're trying to remove makeup or just trying to cleanse your face. It's just a nice towel that's soft and nice to use. So ditch your disposable wipes right now and get the reusable towels. With that is all the time I have for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like down below. That way I know. And also subscribe to the channel to join the journey to living more sustainably. If you'd like to keep up on my own journey to living more sustainably in between uploads, you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which are all linked down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.